So we're gonna find the x-intercept and the y-intercept, right? So you either solve for x. So in this case, I will solve for x first. X minus 5y is equal to negative 10. Let's solve for x. What will you do? You add 5y. Then you'll have x equal 5y minus 10. This equation is in x-intercept form. Can you identify your x-intercept form? What is your x-intercept? Negative 10 as an order pair. How will you write it? Alright. My order pair will be negative 10. Alright. Now I'm going back to solve for y from the original equation so I can get my y-intercept. If I'm solving for y, what I need to do? Subtract. Subtract x. That's one way. And I will have negative 5y equal negative x minus 10. Last step, what do I do? Divide by negative 5. And I will have y equal x over 5. That's good. Or 1/5 x plus 2. Alright? In this case, what will be my y-intercept as what? No? 0, 2. Right? Common mistake you guys made when you were naming your slope, like she said earlier, here, as x over 5. When I asked you for your slope, some of you did this. That's wrong. The slope is what? It's a number. It's not a variable. Does that make sense? Now, I'm going to plot those points, then I'm going to get my graph. Negative 10, 0. That's where? To the left, that will be negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10. That's where I will drop it. The other one is 0, 2. Where would I put that? Go up 2 units. That will be the other one. And just use this. Make it on. See, it's on the point, right? Then you go. Since I want to utilize the graph, the coordinate grid again, I need to identify which equation is that line. This one is x minus 5y is equal to negative 10. And that was number 2, right? If you are using more equation in the line, you have to identify which equation it is, which number it is. Does that make sense? Second, if I pick that equation, 2x plus y is equal to 8. So I'm going to solve for x. If I'm solving for x in this case, what should I do? I'm going to subtract y. Then I will have 2x equal negative y plus 8. I do have find x. Divide by 2. And I will have x equal negative 1/2 y plus 4. That's my x-intercept, right? As another pair, what will that be?
4, 0.
My x-intercept is 4, 0. Now I'm going to go this same equation again. Now I'm going to solve for y. If I'm solving for y, what should I do? Subtract 2. Subtract 2 or what?
2x.
2x. Then I will have y equal negative 2x plus 8. What is my order pair?
0, 8.
0, 8 is my order pair. So let's find 4, 0 on this graph. Where's 4, 0?
To the right.
Go to the right for unit. So I'm going to use the same coordinate grid. That will be 2. That will be 4, 0 here. What is your other point?
0, 8.
0, 8. Where will that locate it? Oh, that will be 2 unit, 4 unit, 6 unit. That will be 0, 8. So I use a different color to distinguish those two lines. Right? So be creative. You may have to use pencil and pen if you are using the same coordinate grid. If not, then you don't have to do any of that. See it? And connect it. That's my other line. Then I have to write which equation is that. Then this will be 2x plus y is equal to 8. That's what you need to do. All right, is that clear? Start.